In this video, I show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's go and jump straight into this guide. Here we are in Photoshop, and as you can see, I need to go and resize this image because at the minute it's too big and I can't go and fit it in. So I'm going to go and run you through the full process, and let's go and get started. So here we have a blank canvas on Photoshop, and let's go and drag in an image. So I'm going to go and drag in my YouTube logo now. So I've now gone and added my logo, and as you can see, it's too big and I need to go and adjust it. So the first thing you need to do is go over to the right hand side to the layers section and make sure you've gone and selected the item in the layer which you want to go and resize. In this case, it's my YouTube logo, so I've gone and chosen that. Then what you need to do is come back to the canvas and you need to click on Ctrl+T just like so, or if you're using a Mac, Command+T. Then this is going to go and activate the transformative mode of how we can go and start changing the shape of the image and the size. So it's important to note that there are two different things which may happen now depending upon which version of Photoshop. What you need to do is grab your cursor and go to one of the corners of the image, just like I'm going to scroll down and use this corner here. Now, in some versions of Photoshop, if you drag this without holding Shift, then things are going to go and start losing its format. For example, this may happen if you start trying to transform your image without using Shift, and in some versions you don't need to use Shift. For example, in mine, I don't need to use Shift, and if I do use Shift, this actually happens. So it's all going to depend upon which version of Photoshop you're using, and you'll need to go and test whether you need to use Shift or not. As I just said, I don't need to use Shift, and if I do, it basically goes and loses the format. So then all I'm going to do is grab this corner here, hover over it and then click, and then I can go and hold my click and go and adjust the image, and then I'll go and adjust the top as well. And there we go, it's pretty much there. I'll just do it a little bit on this corner here. To go and save your changes, what you need to do is go to the top and go and tap on the tick. Then we can go and save this image by pressing on the file in the top left, then go and press on export, and we can go and export it. If you guys found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.